if you're wondering where the intro of this vlog is, well, so am I. But nothing a voiceover can't fix. So anyway, after we arrived, we basically just settled into our rooms, and after that we got together and we ordered some food and some drinks and pretty much just chilled for the rest of the night. And that was it for day 1. So tired. We literally slept for like 2 seconds. We got a crumb of sleep last night, and I'm not happy about that. We have not felt what rest feels like.
Rest is a foreign concept.
Literally, was like if I don't wear my shades, I might look scary. So here we are. Is it not locked? It's locked. Oh my gosh! Don't tell me I have to go around. Oh, it's open. So yeah, we are up early. We're gonna drive now, and we're waiting for, if I tell you how many extra people, it is going to shock you because there's only 3 of us outside here. So yeah.
Motivation.
So we are getting on the.
Yo.
Yeah, please.
It's good tape, yeah.
Look at you. You. Yeah.
Yo, Ox, do you understand do you look at the legs, eh?
We sit. Oh. Wait, Joey, get the cups. Get.
The cups. And 1K. And 1K.
I don't know about me. I never said anything, dude. I got what?
Attention today.
Alright,
Applause.
So there's the other.
Congrats, guys.
I said nice. I said
Let's
nice.
hold on next.
Why do I feel weird? What's going on here?
This is Africa. This is not what you see on National Geographic.
I'm so sleepy, but I'm excited nonetheless.
Please bring us back safe.
Hey yo.
No, never say I love you. Hey, we like him feisty.
Even if he says I love you.
Yeah, it's true.
Oh.
Is that a hippo? Yeah.
It's a hippopotamus, yeah?
Yeah.
These are from South London, bruv. These men, they move mad.
They've got big heads.
So these guys and
love to taste them.
I thought that nice. I got every animal.
Tell you a fun fact.
You know, yo,
Look at the man name. The man name is saying
So, while the beast is so
I'm
dumb,
David Atta, bro.
so I'll give you a wild fact. While the beast is
Look at
so
this
memory
coon.
span,
Look at this coon.
they see it and then
Look
they
at the city
forget
girls
that
in the
they've
natural
seen it.
habitat.
I'm not filming. I'm joking.
You know what's funny? Rumor has it there's a cheetah. They all happen to be in that one.
Yeah.
Danny, pick this up.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to yet another update. Today we're actually checking out because, well, our trip has come to an end. I'm actually just gonna set you up here so that I can nicely talk. Just give you guys a quick little update on everything. Ooh. Alright, so we are officially checking out now. Our trip has come to an end. Yesterday I actually didn't pick up the camera at all, mainly because we didn't really do much. After we finished the game drive, we came back and we took a nap because we had woken up extremely early, so everyone was so tired. So after the nap, I woke up and I don't know what happened, but all of a sudden my tummy was acting a fool. Like I was proper sick, and I literally was chundering the whole day. It felt like a slight like food poisoning, stomach bug type of situation. It didn't really feel like, you know, anything else. Like there's nothing out of the ordinary that I did the previous night. And besides, we went to sleep very early. Like we went to sleep around like 11:30 midnight. So it's not like I stayed up the whole night just partying it up. Like I was actually like fully, you know, not like extremely well rested, but I slept properly. I didn't go to sleep like beefed up extremely. So I was just like, what could it be? Because it definitely wasn't a hang. Like it really wasn't that. So yeah, I don't know what upset my tummy. I'm not sure what I ate. Yeah, I'm not sure what I ate. It's definitely something that I ate or something I drank, like water or something, because my tummy was so upset. So I was pretty much in bed, shaking and shivering, fighting for my life. And it's so crazy, I literally only came alive like around, what time was that? It was so annoying, like around 9:30. That's when I actually felt like I was like a normal person again. And that's when I joined everyone. And what everyone did throughout the entire day was literally just like sit around, chill, smoke happily, drink, play games, swim. It was literally just like a very much chill day, so there was not really much activity happening besides us just hanging out. So I joined everyone like around 9:30, 10. That's when I actually felt like I could actually socialize and stuff. I could actually stand. Yeah, and then we went to bed around just after midnight. So yeah, that was that. So today we've already checked out and everything, so we're heading back to Joho. And I'm tired, I'm exhausted, I can't wait to be in my bed, child. I can't wait to actually just rest. Well, I've been resting, to be fair, so I don't know what I'm talking about. But I definitely managed to gather like quite a bit of footage, so I have quite a bit of content for you guys, don't worry. It's just a matter of me putting it together properly, and then yeah. But yeah, I will catch up with you guys once we are on the road, and yeah.
Lenny was telling me that I was going to lose my glasses. I don't know where they were this morning.
What do you want to say, Joy?
Oh, are we live? Good morning. It's Sunday morning and nothing hectic on the side. Just Mimosa, Lisa in the.
It's because of his new interest. He's practicing.
Oh yeah. Sunday sessions with Bahari. Welcome to the podcast. We're out
No self promo here.
Actually,
We're just having breakfast.
Before we carry on, like, subscribe, and click that notification button.
He watches way too much of this shit, I think.
I know we were the baddie. Come on.